Why can't you stop hearing about Mogo Finance? Ever since online financial services started popping up, navigating the loan jungle has felt like playing financial whack-a-mole. New lenders seem to appear every day, all promising the best rates and fastest approvals. So, how do you know which ones are worth your time? Today, we're diving deep into one company that's been generating a lot of buzz, Mogo Finance. We'll crack open the hood and see what makes their engine tick and why they might be the key to unlocking your financial goals. Financial freedom, the holy grail. Let's face it, most of us just want a little more breathing room when it comes to our finances. Maybe it's that unexpected car repair, a dream vacation, or finally consolidating that credit card debt. Whatever your reason, a personal loan can be a powerful tool. But with so many options, how do you find the right fit? Here's where Mogo starts to stand out. They don't approach you with a one-size-fits-all loan. Instead, they focus on understanding your unique financial situation. Lifting the hood on Mogo's magic. Mogo's secret sauce lies in three key areas: personalization, transparency, and empowerment. 1. Personalized power, loans built for you. Unlike traditional lenders who might just throw a generic loan offer your way, Mogo takes the time to get to know you. They consider your credit score, income, and overall financial picture. This means you're not just another number, you're an individual with specific needs. The result? A loan that's tailored to your ability to repay, making it a more manageable and responsible option. 2. Transparency under the microscope, no hidden fees. Let's be honest, nobody likes hidden fees. They can sneak up and turn that attractive interest rate into a nasty surprise. Mogo ditches the fine print and commits to complete transparency. You'll know exactly what you're getting into up front, with no surprises waiting around the corner. 3. Financial fitness for the future, free credit score and educational tools. Mogo goes beyond just giving you a loan. They see themselves as partners in your financial journey. That's why they offer a free credit score with monthly updates. This empowers you to track your credit health and understand how your financial decisions impact your score. They even provide educational tools and resources to help you build a brighter financial future. Mogo versus the pack, standing out from the crowd. Sure, there are other lenders out there. But Mogo's focus on personalization, transparency, and financial empowerment sets them apart. Here's a quick comparison. Traditional lenders, generic loan offers, limited flexibility, often with hidden fees. Mogo Finance, personalized loans based on your needs, transparent terms, and tools to help you improve your financial health. The final verdict, is Mogo right for you? Whether Mogo is the perfect fit depends on your specific situation. But if you're looking for a lender who understands your needs, offers transparent loan options, and wants to see you succeed financially, then Mogo is definitely worth considering. Remember, financial decisions are important. Do your research and make sure any lender you choose aligns with your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.